Good day. Today I am going to explain how to solve systems of equations by graphing. Systems of equation is a fancy word for solving many equations. In our case, we're only going to solve two equations, the standard form equation and the slope-intercept form. To solve any standard form, you usually should use a table that will help facilitate getting the appropriate value for x and y that will make the equation true. Therefore, this point with this x and y value will be part of the solution. So for example, we put x equal to 0. You can pick any number you like. 0 is a nice number to pick, and the equation becomes very easy. Y is 4. Now if you pick y equal to 0, then x must be 4 in order for the equation to be true given these x and y values. Now if you want to, you can collect others like 2, 2, 3, 1, even 5, minus 1. All of these, I assure you, will be on the same line. And really you only need 2 points to write and draw the line. So we're going to use 0, 4, which is here, and 4, 0, which is here. And you can draw the line connecting the two and extend the line. And this line will be called the graph of this equation. Basically, a graph of all the points that will solve this equation. As I said, if you were to put 2, 2 in there, it will be right on that point. 3, 1, it will be right on that line. All these points that solve this equation will be on that line. Now, this equation is what we call a slope-intercept form. And you can graph this without having to use a table, because we all know this is what? The y-intercept, which means the line will touch this point, and the slope is 1. 1 means it's going to go up 1, go over 1. Go up 1, go over 1. Where is that point? Well, you can tell by the graph is 1, 3. You can also tell where it is by looking at one point, and from one point to the other, the slope is up 1, which means going up on the y, so you add 1 on the y. 1 across means you add 1 on the x. That will give you 1, 3. The same point you have gotten if you use your finger and your eyeballs and get there. Now, you draw the line, and this line is the answer to this equation. So the question is, which values for x and y will solve both equations? And as you can see by graphing, this point here where x is 1 and y is 3, this point and the only point that will satisfy both equations because it's included in both equations. And now to check if it's true, x is 1, y is 3, so 1 plus 3 equals 4. That checks. And if you put an x is 1 here, y is 3, 3 is equal to 1 plus 2, that's 3, that's checks. So this is the solution for both equations.